What's up, guys? Welcome back to AP Games. Today we're going to be playing some Minecraft on tablet because I would be playing on my console. Hey guys, get down here. But, yeah, it looks like I had to sleep in the doghouse. My Xbox is broken and wouldn't even turn on for me. So, I'm gonna have to, This is gross. I'm in a bed with two dogs. I'm gonna have to, 1 minute, guys, I'm do something. Alright, so, dogs, hey, okay, I just beated these guys. Guys, tell me what I should name. Well, I already named him. Flick, no, never mind. I don't know what to name him, or those two. Tell me what I should name him, and her, and him. Put it in the comments below as well. So let's go look for some dye to dye the little baby's collar. Hey, you! Oh gosh, well, it looks like I'm gonna take her. Alright, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's see if we can make a type of dye with this. Maybe bone meal. And the baby dog is a boy because it has an, what's this? Light gray dye. Ooh. Where? Okay. The boy is the baby is a boy. The puppy that's in that house is a boy. I know that because it has a blue collar, and the male in here has a blue collar. You? Where is she? You. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, why is it so hard to make them sit? Oh, finally. Just click on our legs. Hey, boy. This will just hurt a bit. Oh, my bad. Ooh, that must have hurt. So, hey, dude. Where's the kid? Hey, you. No! Sit! Yo, it's so hard to make these guys sit. Sit on no food for the rest of your life. You know what? I give up. Come on, girl. Let's go. Yeah. It's so hard to make them stand, too. Well, I guess that's a new way to make them stand. Okay, I'll get you some food. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, no. No! Oh, gotta take both of these guys then. This is gonna be painful. Okay, so what am I looking for? Oh, there's my chicken. See, I already gave y'all 2 steaks. I'm only giving y'all... Hey! Where are you going? Oh my god. Hey. Hey, boy. Oh, God. Now, where's your little cub? Alright, whatever. I'm putting both of them back in here. Back in this house. Because he is lonely. And y'all two are just... Hey, dude. What's up? Tell your wife to come here. Gosh, now I need more food to make them sit. Where the heck are y'all going? Oh. Maybe they'll attack that for me. We'll have to wait if I accidentally hit you. Hey. You better not be going in my helicopter. Hey. He's trying to make me lose my way. Because I do not want to get lost up in here. I'll have to eat raw food for the rest of my life. That does not go so well. I'm going to end up having to give all of them all my food. So, come here, guys. Get over here. Get over here. You know what? I give up. Hey. Hey. Ooh, yeah. Come here. Come here. Everybody, come here. Hurry up. Hurry up. It is... Oh, I thought that was a red flower. Sit. Where is she now? Hey, come here. I got a surprise. Hurry up. Oh, she knows what's going on. Oh no, I might give that to you just so you can breed with the... Ew. Move this. Put you up there. Let's go. Good job. Keep moving. Oh no. Okay. Let's keep going. This will take a while. Just get in there with your little... And stay in there! How long have I been doing this for? I said that 10:57. So I've been doing this for 8 minutes already. 8 minutes. Okay, so yeah, squeeze in. Yeah. And here is my mine. I hate buttons. I'm gonna just make a lever. Yeah, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a lever. Now I can't get back out. Oh, I made it out. I made it out alive. Okay. There's 9 minutes. Okay. So, what do I need? Make a lever. I need that. We're going to have an ad in 9 seconds. 9 seconds, we're going to have an ad. Yeah, that's much better. See? Told you. What is this? Come on, hurry up. Oh my gosh. This is so difficult. Okay, I'm ending the video here, guys. I have to do something. So, guys, subscribe, leave a like, and pick the names of the dogs, please. And until next time, guys. See ya.